Welcome to our serene space of relaxation. Join us on a calming journey where you can unwind, find peace, and experience tranquility. Get ready to embark on a soothing adventure. In a lovely national park, families gather to explore and enjoy the beauty of nature. Everywhere they look, there are tall pine trees, reaching up to touch the sky. The air is so fresh and pure, filling their lungs with goodness. Sometimes, gentle rain showers sprinkle the mountain, creating a refreshing sensation on their skin. Families spread out their blankets and unpack delicious picnic meals. They savor sandwiches filled with their favorite ingredients, feeling the joy of each bite. Laughter fills the air as they share stories and play games together. It's a time of togetherness and relaxation. As families explore the park, they come across a clearing filled with the melodious songs of birds. Colourful feathers flutter from tree, creating a symphony of sounds. The children listen intently, trying to identify. It's a magical concert in nature's orchestra. Along the winding paths, families encounter friendly deer grazing peacefully. These majestic creatures with gentle eyes captivate their attention. They watch silently, not wanting to disturb the tranquility of the moment. The deer move gracefully, reminding everyone of the beauty of nature's creatures. The sound of water draws families near. A gentle stream flows through the park, inviting them to dip their feet and feel the coolness. The children giggle as they splash and play, creating ripples in the water. It's a moment of pure joy and connection with the flowing energy of the stream. A surprise awaits as families journey further. A rabbit hops by, its ears perked up. It's an enchanting sight, reminding everyone of the harmony between humans and animals. As the day progresses, families approach a magnificent waterfall. The water cascades down with great force, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's power. The sound is both exhilarating and calming, as if whispering secrets of serenity. Families stand in awe. Amidst all the adventure, families find moments to sit and rest. They gather around a campfire, its crackling flames providing warmth and coziness. They roast marshmallows, their sweet aroma filling the air. The children share their favorite stories and sing songs, their voices harmonizing with the crackling fire. As the sun begins to set, families find a quiet spot to watch the colors of the sky transform. Shades of pink, orange, and gold paint the horizon, creating a breathtaking scene. It's a time for reflection and gratitude for the beauty that surrounds them. nighttime blankets, the national park with a starry sky. Families lay on blankets, gazing up at the twinkling stars. They search for constellations, connecting the dots to form familiar shapes. The night sky is a blanket of dreams, igniting their imaginations and filling their hearts with wonder. As the moon rises, families settle into their tents, cocooned in the embrace of nature. The sounds of gentle breezes and rustling leaves lull them into a peaceful slumber. The national park's soothing energy wraps around them. It's a night filled with dreams of new adventures and cherished memories. In the morning, families wake up to the chirping of birds and the first rays of sunlight. They stretch and take in the fresh morning air, feeling rejuvenated and ready for another day of exploration. The national park holds endless possibilities, inviting them to create more beautiful memories as they continue their journey. And so, in this national park, families find joy, connection, and a deep appreciation for nature. It's a place where they can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and embrace the serenity that surrounds them. As they leave, they carry the memories of their time in the national park, forever grateful for the moments of peace and harmony they experienced. The scent of wildflowers fills the air as families embark on a nature walk. They spot vibrant blossoms in various colors, like a living rainbow on the ground. The children carefully pluck a few flowers, creating small bouquets as a reminder of. A gentle breeze rustles through the trees, providing relief from the warmth of the sun. Families feel the soft caress of the wind on their skin, embracing the feeling of being one with nature. It's a moment of pure bliss and harmony. Nearby, families come across a hidden pond. Shimmering under the sunlight, they spot colorful fish swimming gracefully in the crystal clear water. A squirrel scampers up a tree, skillfully maneuvering through the branches. Families watch in amazement as it gathers acorns, preparing for the upcoming season. They admire the squirrel's determination and resourcefulness, learning a valuable lesson. The sound of laughter echoes through the park as families engage in a friendly game of tag. They chase each other, their footsteps blending with the sounds of nature. It's a moment of pure joy and energy, where worries fade away and only laughter remains. A gentle rain shower sprinkles the park, refreshing the earth and bringing a coolness to the air. Families open their umbrellas and dance in the rain, feeling the droplets on their faces. The rain becomes a playful companion, adding an element of adventure to their day. In a secluded spot, families find a cozy nook under a tree's shade. They lay down on blankets and share stories, their voices creating a symphony of connection. The children's imaginations soar as they listen to tales of magic. As families venture deeper into the park, they stumble upon a hidden treasure, an enchanting butterfly garden. Butterflies of all colours flutter around, casting a spell of wonder. Families witness the delicate dance of these graceful creatures. The sun begins its descent, casting a golden hue over the park. Families gather near a tranquil pond, where lily pads float peacefully. They sit in silence, observing the reflections on the water's surface and finding peace in the quietude of the moment. As night falls, families gather around a campfire, sharing stories and toasting marshmallows. The crackling flames provide warmth and comfort, while the stars above twinkle like little sparks of magic. It's a night of storytelling and connection, where the bonds between families grow stronger. And so, in this magical national park, families discover the true beauty of nature and the joys of being together. Each moment is a gift filled with wonder, laughter, and a deep sense of serenity. As they leave the park, their hearts are filled with gratitude for the memories they've created and the natural wonders they've experienced. Families gather by a glistening stream, watching as it meanders through the lush landscape. They dip their toes in the cool water, feeling a sense of refreshment and tranquility. A family of ducks glides gracefully across a serene pond, their feathers creating ripples on the water's surface. Children giggle with delight as they imitate their waddling movements, their imaginations taking flight. It's a moment of pure innocence and playfulness. In the distance, families spot a majestic deer grazing peacefully in a meadow. They watch in awe as it moves with grace and elegance. The children marvel at its antlers, imagining the sun begins to set. Families gather at a lookout point to witness a breathtaking sunset. Colors of orange, pink, and purple paint the sky, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The beauty of the sunset reminds them of the importance of On their way out of the national park, families stumble upon a hidden treasure, a field of wildflowers in full bloom. Vibrant colors stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a sea of beauty. Families take a moment to immerse themselves in this natural wonder, breathing in the sweet scent of the flowers. And so, in this enchanting national park, families discover the wonders of nature and the joys of spending time together. Each scene and experience leaves a lasting impression, filling their hearts with warmth and a sense of peace. As they bid farewell to the park, they carry the memories with them, knowing that Nature's beauty will always be there to welcome them back.